Welcome to Tech Talk. Today, we're exploring the Dell XPS 13 Plus 2024 model, a laptop that redefines design and performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest innovations, stay tuned to see what makes this laptop stand out. Designed for users on the go, the XPS 13 Plus is incredibly lightweight and highly portable. The minimalist approach extends to its capacitive touch buttons, which, while innovative, might feel unconventional to some users. Choose between two impressive display options: a full HD Plus display for general use or a stunning 3.5K OLED touchscreen for vibrant colors, deep blacks, and unmatched clarity. Both displays feature ultra-thin bezels, delivering an immersive viewing experience. If you're a creative professional, the OLED option is the clear winner. The Dell XPS 13 Plus delivers strong performance with 13th Gen Intel Core processors, up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and fast PCIe 4.0 SSD storage. It handles multitasking and demanding applications well, though it relies on integrated Intel Iris A graphics, making it less ideal for high-end gaming. The device features a stunning 4K UHD OLED display option, decent battery life, and improved thermal management. Overall, it's a powerful Ultrabook suited for productivity and creative tasks. Storage options range from 256 GB to 2 TB with fast PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs, ensuring quick boot times, fast app loading, and seamless file transfers. While you can't upgrade the storage later, these configurations should be more than sufficient for most users. Battery life ranges between 7 to 9 hours during typical use and 4 to 6 hours during high-performance tasks. The 55Wh battery supports fast charging, but remember, the 4K UHD display option will consume more power. The XPS 13 Plus features a sleek, backlit keyboard with shallow key travel and a large glass-covered trackpad with haptic feedback for a smooth and precise touch experience. The Dell XPS 13 Plus includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. Enjoy crystal clear audio with dual speakers featuring Waves NX technology, and make high-quality video calls with the built-in microphones. The XPS 13 Plus runs on Windows 11 and comes preloaded with Dell's suite of software like Power Manager and Support Assist. For enhanced media playback, there's Dell Cinema, and for seamless smartphone integration, Dell Mobile Connect. Security features include a fingerprint reader and TPM 2.0, ensuring your data stays safe. Even during intensive tasks, the advanced thermal management system with dual fans, a vapor chamber, and Gore insulation keeps the XPS 13 Plus cool and quiet. Starting at $1,299 and reaching over $2,000 depending on your configuration, the Dell XPS 13 Plus is a premium Ultrabook that offers excellent value for professionals and power users. Its combination of high performance, cutting-edge design, and premium features makes it worth the investment. The Dell XPS 13 Plus 2024, is primarily used by designers and creatives for its display and build quality, business professionals for its sleek design and powerful performance, developers and engineers for its processing power and multitasking capabilities, and students and educators in fields like engineering, design, and business for both academic and creative work. Keep in mind, upgradability is limited. The RAM is soldered, and while the SSD is replaceable, it requires careful handling. So, choose your configuration wisely. Security is also a priority with features like Windows Hello facial recognition, Dell Safe BIOS, and more. The Dell XPS 13 Plus offers strong security features, including a fingerprint reader, Windows Hello facial recognition, TPM 2.0 for data encryption, and Dell Safe BIOS to protect against malware and unauthorized changes. The XPS 13 Plus typically comes with a 1-year limited warranty, with options for Dell Premium Support and Premium Support Plus for accidental damage protection.